Hey guys, Ethan here, and today I'm going to be trying to solve this Rubik's Cube and trying to get 25 subscribers. I don't know how long this will take, hopefully not too long. Apparently it updates every second. So, make sure you guys get a nice view. Here we go. Hold on. It's really jamming. Come on, I just need one more subscriber. I don't know if this is ever gonna happen. Don't push the middle. Push the middle. $24 subscribers. Hold on, just in case you guys think that whenever I take it up, I'm getting a new one. I have none around me. I only have one of these. I do have another, but it's not here. Getting stuck. But all I need is more subs. Ew, tic-tac-toe. Got a 3 in a row. I should have made that joke better. These would be the X's, and of course, reds would be the O's. Yellow X's, red O's. Something. Right. It's hard to do that. Here. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this and hold the camera. Page updates every second. So every second I get 0 subscribers. Hey, at least I still get a number of subscribers every second. That number is 0. It's crazy Rubik's. Because I feel like this one's too messed up. I don't don't know, Rubik's Cubes are so hard to solve. Like, how do people solve these? Oh, it always jams as well. I might not get enough subscriber. Oh, I thought that something changed. That would have been good. Hold on. I just started looking at something. Look. My channel was created April 13th. I think, I don't know if I'm correct. Someone in the comments, please correct me if I'm not right. I'm pretty sure that is Thomas Jefferson's birthday. Well, not really birthday, but the day that he was born. Not birthday anymore because, as you guys know, he's dead. I have 323 uploads, 24 subscribers. Video views are 3,097. Wow. Channel type. Country. Alright, so the country is America. Is that a country? I think I'm an idiot. I don't know. Is that a country or not? And my channel type is, I don't really know how to explain it. It's gaming and a bunch of fun things. And it was made in 2014. Now it's 2019. How long have I had this channel for? I'll search that up after this video. I'll do a whole bunch of fun things. Every video is gonna reach 12 minutes if I don't complete the task. Or, like, it has to at least be 12 minutes. There we go. I don't even know what I'm doing. Go. I do not know how to do this. Still 25. Please reach 25 subscribers. Please. I really just want to reach 25 subscribers. That'll be my next video. That's my next goal. I don't know if that was my latest goal yet. Like, I don't know. I don't think I made a goal ever since the goal to reach 20 subscribers. You know what? I have a new idea. 10 minutes. If I couldn't solve this fully in 10 minutes. And as far as you could go, alright, it could be up to 11 minutes. As long as it doesn't reach 15 minutes. You can do it as long as it doesn't reach 15 minutes. I'm not good at solving Rubik's Cubes. All I want is one more subscriber. It's been 10 minutes. Kind of tired of trying to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'll try a bunch of different methods today. My next video will either be a goal video or just saying, please give me one more subscriber. And then I'll need 30. And then 35, then 40, then 45, then 50, then 55, then 60, then 65, then 70, then 75, then 80, then 85, then 90, then 95, then 100. And then I'll just go up like that. I'll need 110. Actually, no, 105, 110, 115, you know how it goes. Alright, and I kind of want to end it here. So, guys, peace out, subscribe, comment, like, turn notifications, and requests. Peace.